Well, it always happens that when we connect to our Wi-Fi networks, we sometimes change the password. And over time we forget what that password was that we previously entered on our device. Well, if this is your case, we are going to explain one of the easiest and fastest steps to find and recover that forgotten password for your Wi-Fi networks. The first thing we always recommend is watching the step-by-step video tutorial so that you don't miss any details and can solve and recover your device. Now, as we can see here, we are connected to a Wi-Fi network. What we are going to do now is go to our settings or configuration. Once we're here in our settings, we'll go to where it says Connections. Select Connections and then go to our Wi-Fi network. We're on our Wi-Fi network. And as you can see, our device is already connected. We'll select the network we're connected to and click on this little gear icon. When you click on this gear icon, you'll see this option that says Password. What you're going to do is click here where that little eye icon appears. Selecting the eye icon will give us access. So, in this easy and quick way, you'll be able to recover your Wi-Fi network password without any complications. Let us know if our video works for you. If you like our video, please subscribe, turn on notifications, like, share, and leave a nice comment.